What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Today's footwork move we're going to work on is a 3-step with your non-sweeping leg in the air. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and have private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box and you apply today so we can work together. Alright, so for today's video, you will need to understand how to do your basic 3 steps. If you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my previous video I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so our original 3-step, all we did is when we swept, we kept both feet on the floor. Now for this variation, all I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my front leg up in the air. So whatever leg is not sweeping is going to be in the air. So you can think of it as the leg that sweeps is going to go on the ground, or you can think of it the leg that's not sweeping goes in the air. It creates a little bit more of a variation and a bigger effect to it. Okay, so all the same basics apply to our basic 3 steps. So I'm going to go counterclockwise again. I'm going to go left leg up. I'll do my weight change to the front. From here, as I sweep, instead of coming to both feet on the ground, whatever leg is sweeping is going to stay on the ground. My other leg is going to go in the air like this. So you can kick out, you can keep it bent. It's really up to you. It's your own variation to create from there. So now that the leg's in the air, again, you could be really creative. Okay, so for me, I like to bend it just because that's kind of like my natural thing to do with it. Okay, so just go through this again. I'm going left, weight change. Again, whatever leg is not sweeping is going to go in the air. So I'm going to go in the air. Okay, so now I can repeat that. Left, switch, and now if I want to go straight leg, I could go straight leg, right? So same thing applies if I go the other way. So if I start with my right leg out, weight change here. Now from here, since my left leg is sweeping, that's the leg I'm gonna land on. This right leg here is gonna go in the air. So I'm gonna go here, keep it in the air, or you can straighten out, okay? So again, with my right, going right, weight change, air, and I can repeat it. Right, weight change, I can go straight. All right, so now let's put this together with some counts. So for the first A count, I want to go counterclockwise for the whole A count. For the first 2, I want you to do basic 3 steps. And then for the second 2, I want you to do in the air, legs in the air variations. Okay, so you should be bent, you can kick it out, you can be fancy with it, whatever you want. Second A count, same thing, 2 basic ones, and then 2 in the air. Here we go, so with our left. So 6, 7, 8, this goes 1 and 2 basic, 3 and 4, variation, 5 and 6, 7, and other way. 1 and basic, 5 and in air, and in air. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, also subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one. Again, you are executing your basic 3 steps, so don't lose your technique with that one. And then whatever leg is sweeping for this one, that's the one that's going to land on the ground. And whatever leg is not sweeping, that's the one that could be in the air. And again, you could get fancy with that one since it's in the air. You can grab it, kick it out, keep it straight, whatever you want to do with that one. Alright, so I'd love to see you practicing and training this movement, so go ahead and post up a video. Make sure you tag it at Darren R. Wong, and I'm sure to give you props, shoutouts, and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and also leave a comment below. Tell me what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.